Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. I boarded the Captain Pride at the Babylon, New York, and we are heading for deep sea fishing. Today we are targeting fluke and sea bass. The weather is cloudy and raining a little bit. Hopefully it can improve and we catch some good fish. Thank you. Bye. Hey, what's up, you all? Welcome to my kitchen. During this trip, nobody catch any keeping size fluke. I only caught one undersized, but I ended up caught 21 of this Ling and 5 sea bass. Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe with this fresh catch. It's called explode fish, meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. First, remove the scale, then remove the head and gut, and cut the fish into 1/4-inch pieces. The spices include pepper, bay leaf, star anise, cinnamon, green onion, ginger, and onion. Stir fry all the ingredients. Add a tablespoon oyster sauce, soy sauce, and cooking wine. Add 2 cups water, a teaspoon salt, and some sugar, and cook the sauce for about 10 minutes. Filter out the solid ingredients and cool the sauce down in the fridge. Marinate the fish with red pepper, scallion, ginger, and cooking wine. This will maximally remove the fishy taste. Dry the fish with paper towel and fry the fish in hot oil. Remove the fish from the oil when they turn light brown. Heat the oil further to increase the temperature before refrying the fish for a second time. Fry the fish for about a minute until they are crispy. immediately add the fish into the ice cold sauce. This is the exploded fish I'm talking about. The name possibly comes from the explosion by cold fish into the hot oil, and again the hot fish into the cold sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.